I learned in this workshop that nothing is impossible.
And I've been blown away.
I found I'm speechless.
I learned in this workshop that within me are the resources that I need in order to help me go out in the world and be and do whatever it is that I want. I also learned in this workshop what that is.
I can't summarize my experience at the summit. I found myself, I grew myself.
This workshop, I found me.
And it was clear what we had to try and do. Walk through doors. Doors that weren't there. Doors that were hinges broken. Doors that didn't have any oil. Sometimes doors so opaque one didn't even see them. But they were there.
I had no idea what was waiting there for me, and I have been so stoked to find out what's there.
And for the first time, I'm finally getting unstuck and stepping into the magical, magnificent me.
Wow, amazing.
And grateful. Very, very grateful for having this experience.
Everybody needs to do this workshop. It is fabulous.
I facilitate leadership development workshops, and I've worked with over 20,000 participants. And the summit is for anyone, whether you're in corporate Canada or soccer mom or artist or First Nations elder, it doesn't matter. This workshop pinpoints exactly your own sleeping dragons so that you can be more of an expression of what your personal leadership looks like in the world.